Hello dear friends! Now you will see another selection of coolest products from Amazon sites. All links to the products in the description below the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go!
Printing affordable. The MP Mini Delta is the next step in delivering the world's highest quality, low-cost 3D printer. It's ready to print out of the box. All metal construction and portable. Auto level so you get printing immediately. And it's easy to use. Based on the best-selling MP Select 3D Printer V2, the Plus improves upon key areas. It's easy to unbox and set up with the consolidated two-piece design. New features include a smaller footprint and a touchscreen interface. And the streamlined print head and ribbon cable ensure there are no interruptions while printing. It's the best value under $500. Monoprice brings affordability to the 3D printing revolution, so all creative people can bring their ideas to life. Based on the successful MP Select Mini, the V2 improves on a classic 3D printer. It features an all-metal hot-end extruder, preventing filament jams and allowing for a wide range of print materials. A pre-installed build tack mat, an insulated heat bed, improvements to the rigidity and stability of the chassis, active fan cooling for mainboard. The all-metal construction MP Select Mini V2 is ready to print out of the box. It boasts powerful features and is a workhorse that'll help print anything you can imagine.
Meet HP's most compact 3D printing devices, designed for convenient in-house automated prototyping and production. With the HP Jet Fusion 500-300 series 3D printers, accelerate your creation workflow by producing functional parts in full color or white, with voxel control in a fraction of the time. To begin the process, prepare your build for printing with HP's easy-to-use software. It lets you error-check your 3D models and automatically pack them in the build chamber before sending the job to print. Prior to printing, the printer will notify you if it needs additional material or agents to complete the build. Load material by inserting the cartridge into its designated location. Once inserted, the material is automatically dispensed, mixed, and delivered to the print area. Pre-print and in-printer checks give you predictable quality output. Thanks to HP's unique multi-agent and multi-pass printing process, material is spread evenly across the build platform. A print carriage containing an HP thermal inkjet array passes over the work area, printing fusing, detailing, and coloring agents on the material. During another pass of the carriage, the area is exposed to fusing energy, which bonds the part layers together. Unlike other 3D printing technologies, multi-jet fusion technology prints each layer of new material and agents on top of a previous layer that is still molten, so that both layers fuse completely and polymers can lock in with each other across the layer boundary. The build platform is then lowered layer by layer by precise mechanisms.
Inspire ingenuity, expand creativity, imagine new possibilities, and build the extraordinary with the new Pro 2 Series 3D printers from Raise 3D. Forged from the award-winning legacy of N2. The Pro 2 boasts massive build volumes, so you can think bigger. Industrial-grade components for 24/7 reliability, ready to integrate print factories and build customized parts on demand. Electronic-driven dual extruders increase torque by 400% to feed a variety of spool sizes. With hot end temperatures capable of reaching 300 degrees Celsius for diverse filament compatibility. Choose from premium material options for maximum usability, strength, and flexibility. The Raise 3D Pro 2 features state-of-the-art retracting nozzles that print complex mechanical parts and improve print speed. The 32-bit motion controller has best-in-class reliability. superior thermal performance, precise voltage control, and silky smooth movement. Experience unmatched layer resolution for superior part quality. Effortless, dependable, and accurate, the Pro 2 comes standard with optical and stops. Filament runout sensors with resume. Live camera monitoring. And power loss with print resume for worry.
Introducing the Ultimaker S5 Pro Bundle. A combination of products that together solve your every material handling concern. At its core is our market-leading high build volume 3D printer, the Ultimaker S5. This stands securely on the material station, the first of its kind in the world. A humidity-controlled enclosure enables continuous single or dual extrusion, housing up to 4.5 kilograms of any filament, including glass or carbon fiber composites. The Ultimaker S5 Air Manager fully encloses the build chamber. Its high-efficiency filter and multi-speed fan create an inside-out airflow that removes up to 95% of ultrafine particles, giving you the freedom to print with an extended range of materials with complete peace of mind. Each of these on their own are remarkable devices, but stack them together and something special happens. They unlock the flexibility for more applications. With true 24/7 capacity, seamless integration, and zero hassle, completing our vision of the ultimate office 3D printing experience. Let the Ultimaker S5 Pro Bundle take care of 100% of your 3D printing concerns, so you can stay 100% focused on doing your best work.
For years, our intention has been to make your ideas real. Ideas so disruptive, they can fundamentally shift the axis of tomorrow. But then, we came up with a radically new idea of our own. This is Method, the first performance 3D printer. Developing a performance 3D printer required bridging the gap between industrial 3D printing accuracy and desktop 3D printer accessibility.
We began by building upon the bedrock of several patented technologies from Stratasys, then refined and optimized every feature down to the last detail.
The circulating heated chamber utilizes two heat exchangers with active blowers to fully envelop each print with hot air during the entire print duration. The result is twofold: consistent dimensional accuracy and optimal part strength. The seamless orchestration between the dual performance extruders provides a consistent feed of hot liquefied material across every print layer. The dual drive gear system grips material securely with 3 times the force of a typical desktop 3D printer. The extruder's lengthened thermal cores are 50% longer than a desktop hot end and allow for more efficient heating during the entire material loading and extrusion process. Method allows you the freedom to print in virtually unlimited geometry by utilizing best-in-class water-soluble PVA support. Inside, a rigorously tested and ultra-rigid full-body metal frame design eliminates flexing that typically occurs during high-speed print movements. Less flexing means more consistent prints with better part accuracy and uncompromised performance. Sitting on a lab-calibrated base manufactured from precision machined aluminum, the build plate leverages high-strength positional magnets to conform itself truly flat to the bed base. Build plate adhesion comes from a layer of polycarbonate and the elevated temperature of the plate as it absorbs heat from the circulating heated chamber. Once the print is complete, the plate pulls off from its base and can be easily flexed to release the finished printed part. Combined with MakerBot's existing suite of smart accessibility features and software, including 21 strategically placed sensors, a 5-inch capacitive touchscreen, an onboard camera, intelligent material monitoring, and MakerBot Print, which supports over 25 native CAD file types. Method isn't just introducing a new category of 3D printing, it's redefining it altogether.